Hey guys, Justin here with you for one last time with our Project Ram 2500. Yup, we're saying goodbye to this trusty old rig after we did some strategic upgrades and prepared it for many more years to come. The whole goal of this build was to show you how some key upgrades and maintenance procedures can be a smart alternative to hafting and buying an all-new truck, and especially in this market. Over the handful of episodes, we fixed some rust issues, lined the bed, and we did some paint correction to make this thing absolutely gorgeous and give it a brand new truck look. Installing things like power stop brake rotors and pads, and replacing the transmission pan and fluids with ones from Pacific Performance Engineering. Up next, the Ram 2500 received some upgrades to make it more versatile. We added some Klein onboard air systems with some sweet air horns, along with the set of Airlift air ride springs, and a Hellwig sway bar to make this thing a competent hauler. Then it got a super rugged hitch from WaySafe, so we know how much tongue weight this thing always has, along with a set of tow mirrors and a REDARC brake controller, which pretty much allows us to hook up to any trailer we want that has brakes. Out back, we installed an Access Atarack bed rack and a complementing soft tonneau cover for more utility. Then we fitted a set of Aries automated running boards along the sides so we can jump in and out of this thing quickly. Finally, we just couldn't resist outfitting this rig with a new set of tough looking Black Rhino wheels wrapped in sweet Nitto Ridge Grappler tires. Then the truck got a set of AEV off-road bumpers front and back, along with upgraded Morimoto lights. So after our initial testing, there is one upgrade that we decided that we needed, and it's one of these Rocktection hitch-mounted mud flaps. Now these things are really great, and with our truck being lifted, it throws a lot of unnecessary rocks. So what this does is it keeps rocks off our car on an open trailer or off our boat. So this is a simple add-on upgrade that bolts right to your hitch receiver that you can do to help improve rocks hitting your vehicle. So unless you plan on towing an M1 Abrams tank across the Rocky Mountains during a snowstorm, this Ram 2500 can probably handle it. And that's really the whole purpose of this build. It's not uncommon to see these trucks rack up 500,000 miles in just a few years, along with some dents and scratches along the way. But that shouldn't shy you away from one of these trucks because they just keep humming right along. That's what we wanted to show you guys, that you can take a truck like this and with a little bit of time, key upgrades, and elbow grease, you can turn it into a super reliable tow rig to keep you moving for years to come. Now, this thing's gonna spend a lot of its life towing the Summit Jeep around and hauling whatever we throw at it. So make sure to like and subscribe to the Summit Racing YouTube channel so you don't miss out on any of the content we post like this or some of the other cool stuff we do. Like vehicle builds, tool reviews, and so much more. There's always something going on the channel. So make sure to like, subscribe, and punch that notification bell. And now it's time to really put this thing through its paces and see what all our hard work is all about. So until next time, I'm Justin with Summit Racing, and thanks for watching.